We are 5 months and 2 days out from the wedding. I got a couple more dresses from Lulus and they also didn't fit, so I have to return them. So there's like this really sparkly one and I just wanted it to work so bad. But see how like the cup size, like this one's a medium and it looks the same as the small. So this isn't gonna work. But it's super cute, but there's just like, it's too big on me and the small wouldn't zipper up. So a lot of the Lulus reviews that I've seen say that the zipper won't zip, and it's not because the zipper's broken, it's just they're too small. It's like everybody's between sizes on all the reviews, so the smalls like fit me everywhere else, but like they wouldn't zip up. And then this one it zipped up, but it was just too big everywhere else. So this dress is out, this one, but if you're doing like a something blue and this happens to fit you in the right size, like that would be super cute for a bridal shower. So that one's going. Then there's this one. I seen a girl trying on TikTok too. It has like these straps that'll do up. So this is the medium and it was able to zip up on me and it was too big. But like all of this up here, there was just like too much on me. There was just too much here. So this one's not going to work in a small or a medium, but it's nice. It's good quality. It just won't, the small wouldn't zip up and the medium's just too medium. That one's going back, but then this one's super cute. It's got these like pearl details on it. And then it's got like a tulle overlay. There's another layer of like stiffer tulle for it to like poof out. And then there's a couple layers here. So I think with some good shapewear, it's not see-through when I tried it on. So this one I'm gonna get in a small because the smalls, like I said, they fit everywhere else, but I couldn't do up the zipper. I don't know if it's just like my torso and where my hips are. But this one, it doesn't have a zipper. It's just kind of like a tube top sort of situation. It's got a super cute bow on the back. It does have a little bit of like, so did the other, like the sequin one. It does have like a little bit of like a rubbery like thing to keep it up. It was kind of falling down on me as a medium. So I'm going to try this one in a small since it doesn't have a zipper in the back. But I already did one order of Lulus. Those ones, they were super easy to send back. All I did was, this is a trick that my mom does when she sends back stuff. Since my address is on the other side here, you just take the Lulus bag and you just turn it inside out. So then that way you just put all the dresses back in, and then you just gotta be really careful when you open these Lulus bags up. So I'm just gonna fold up the dresses, put them all back in here, print out the shipping label, and then you just take it to UPS. All I had to do was tape the shipping label to the front of it, walk into UPS, he scanned it, he printed something out, and then it got returned in like 2 or 3 days, and I got all my money back. So that was super easy. There's no like restocking fee. And I went to Macy's with my mom and I tried on some dresses, but I think they're more for like juniors. And like, I'm 32 years old. I want a cute little foofy like bridal shower dress with like the tulle and like all that kind of stuff. But it's just like the like dresses from Macy's, and they just weren't it. But this is like, I really hope this one does it for me in a small, because I'm running out of options for bridal shower dresses. I don't know where else to look. Any website, you have to be careful. Like all the mainstream ones that you see on Instagram and stuff like that, you have to be careful for like returns. Like I don't want to have to do store credit for a store that I'm not going to like. And I don't want to have to pay money for like a restocking fee for returns. So Lulus is super easy. I've done it once already. Ordered them all. Tried them on at home. Packaged them back, like I said. Returned them. Got my money back. So I'm going to try and get the pearl one in a small for my bridal shower because, oh my god, these are so cute. I got these shoes from Betsey Johnson for my wedding shoe and my bridal shower shoe. And I'm not like really a shoe girl, so I didn't know what to get. There was like a 20% off of coupon or something like that. So I ended up paying $180 for 2 pairs of shoes. These ones are for my bridal shower. They're blue bottoms for something blue. And there's pearls all over them. There's pearls on the little strap. There's pearls here. It's got like a square toe. I love this one. This one's going to be for the shower. I'm not really good at walking around in heels, but there's really not far to walk for my shower. And I think I might bring my Hey Dudes for that. I don't know. I don't remember if I did clips of this or not. But those are my bridal shower shoes. And then these are my Betsey Johnson wedding shoes. These have rhinestones all over them. So cute. The detailing is really nice quality, I think. And like the actual make of the shoe seems really nice quality. Again, blue bottoms. It's got the square heel, so they're easier to walk in. And I feel like that's kind of the style right now, is the square heel like that. This one is the Mari Champagne. It's this one. Mari Champagne. Okay, love that. Bridal shower shoe is this pearl one. This is the SB Rebel Ivory. And these are more of like a white color. These are like stark white. These are like super nice. And then the champagne is definitely like, I think you could totally do like, you could do silver, you could do white, you could do, my dress is a very like gold champagne color. So I think this would match anything. I think this would match literally anything. And it's got like a nude base to it too. They're super pretty. And then on Amazon Prime Day back in October, I ordered these Hey Dudes. And I accidentally ordered them in like a champagne sparkly color. So these, and it's got a cute little detail inside. It's got like a cute little like floral detail. So I'll link these in my Amazon storefront. I plan on wearing these like to the shower when we're setting up and everything. And then for the wedding, like walking from the hotel room to the ballroom, I'm gonna have these on and just like carry my shoes. I've read that, like, don't walk far distances in your wedding shoes. Just kind of like save your feet. I've also seen has anybody seen the hack where it's like you spray like lidocaine spray on your feet? My friend's sister's getting married and she like sent me the link for it. I'll put that in my Amazon storefront as well. So this is the Wendy Stretch Sparkling Beige Hey Dude that I'm gonna do for my wedding. And it's got that floral detail in it, so I think they'll be super cute for like detail shots. So, but the only thing is I ordered them on Amazon Prime Day. It's just like a fall like shoe, and now that it's getting spring, it'd be nice for a spring shoe. But I can't wear them because I want to keep them nice for the wedding stuff. So they've been sitting here and just, yeah. So that is my shoe haul and my current Lulus dress haul. What else do we have to do here? So I got my bridal shower. Has been like emailing back and forth with the venue to get the contract perfect. And then we finally got the contract perfect. I just signed it. And then my mom's going to take care of it from here. And then another thing that I did today was I sent over, my mom's friend has a wedding business with like the centerpieces, the backdrops, all that stuff. And she'll come in and she'll set it up. So I'm going to do her centerpieces. I'll put a picture of them. Her centerpieces and her card box and her cake stand, because I needed a square cake stand because it was hard to find. And I'm like, I'm kind of back and forth on the centerpieces, but I'm like, let's just get them from her. She'll set them up. She's got nice, like, it's just a plain gold number for the table numbers. So we're going to do that. Anything else, and she's going to do some fake greenery in it too, like eucalyptus or something. So she's going to do that. I'm going to have a nice candelabra too on the card and gift table. And then she's got like some votives and stuff that are going to go add to the centerpieces, just kind of like scattered around. And then she's going to do like votives on the cake table too. So she's going to take care of all of that. I don't know if I showed this yet. These are the wax that I got from Amazon. I put them in my Ryobi glue gun. I'll have to this is just like a little vlog. I'll show this later, but I think I'm going to have to turn off the glue gun in between because this is a high heat glue gun And those wax sticks work better with a low heat glue gun. So just like a cheaper one, not like fancy Ryobi one. But this is what I have for a glue gun. So I noticed when I was doing them, I'm gonna turn the glue gun off like in between like presses so it doesn't get too hot. But it did work in this one. I did a lot of research and I couldn't find if somebody used a Ryobi glue gun with Amazon wax seal glue sticks. They're just like a little stick, just like the glue gun, and it'll go in here. And it worked. It was just a little too hot between. And then you get like a glass of ice and you put the stamper on ice in between them so it like cools it off. It works better. But that's another video. And then over here I have the boxes of invitations that I've been working on. This is the glue stamper. This is the wax sealer stamper that I got. It's just a D. My new last name is going to start with a D. So this is the wax seal stamper that I bought. It's linked in my Amazon storefront, linked in the description. My stack of envelopes sitting here. They're amazing. They're super thick, super good quality. They got like the gold here, and then you can just peel off these things to seal them. I have a tutorial of how I wrote the address with gold gel pen on my channel. And then I just have these Sterlite containers. These are the smaller ones. I wanted to buy big ones for like transporting stuff to the venue. But my invitations, this is like the jacket, the outside jacket. Of course I could have bought them. But I decided I want to make them and it's going to be special. So that's one half of it. This is the other half. The two parts glue together, and this makes a pocket for the details card and RSVP card with a QR code. So those are going to get glued together. I'm up to 46. So I'm going to start gluing these together to make sure it works before I make another 50 of them. So that's where I'm at with wedding planning so far. We are 5 months and 2 days out from the wedding. So I think in this video, I don't remember what I put it at. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's a free way to support my channel. I have everything that I've bought so far from Amazon linked in my Amazon storefront in the description. I have a TikTok that has gone viral. It's over 100K right now. And I made a tutorial on my channel. It's the one of how I wrote out my addresses on envelopes for my wedding. I'm gonna have my Cricut address them, so look for that video on my channel as well. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. Happy wedding planning. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.